Just when you thought you couldn't get any more businesses to do online or at home, here's 9 bonus ones that I've put together for you. Hi and welcome to Business with Joe. I'm Joe and thanks for coming to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can make extra money, and this is just one video in a series of 9, so in total you'll see 80 plus ideas for you to make some more money. All you need is either a computer or a phone with internet access, or the ability to walk around your local town or city, because all the things I'm going to tell you about you'll be able to do with the skills you already have or are new jobs that are easy to start. In this video I'm going to show you 9 jobs where you can start making some serious money almost immediately. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit the alert bell. Each week I'll be posting new videos, so don't miss out on the opportunities I'll be posting in the coming weeks. If you work a normal 9 to 5 job, then all you can earn is your wage. Maybe if you're lucky you can get the occasional bonus, but most of the time all you'll get is set pay. This is known as an active income, as you can't really change to a great degree your monthly wage. You only get paid for the work you complete. In this video I'm going to show you several ways you can increase this active income, but I'm also going to tell you lots of ways to make a passive income. With a passive income you could be asleep or out with your friends and you'll still be earning money. How cool is that? With most passive income models, all you have to do is put in the work once and the money in theory should keep coming in, with no other work needed, other than doing some marketing for what you or other people have made or a product or service you are promoting. Before we start, let me tell you that the websites or companies that I'm suggesting in this video are all from personal experience of actually using them, or someone that I know has recommended them to me. I will tell you if it's an affiliate link to any of the sites, but again, I'm only recommending links because of personal use or recommendations. You'll be able to find links to any of the sites I've mentioned below in the description. So let's get going. 82. Clean houses. Okay, so it might not be the most glamorous thing to do, but some people enjoy cleaning, or it might just be something you wouldn't mind doing for extra money. You really should consider doing this because you could make a lot of money. I personally know of people that either do the cleaning themselves for family homes, etc. And I also know someone that owns a cleaning company and employs people to do the cleaning. He never picks up a vacuum, but instead goes out looking for the work to grow his business. When I was putting this list together, I asked him what one bit of advice he would give to anyone wanting to start a cleaning business would be. He said, be attentive and always do the job to the standard you would want in your own house. Good point, I think. Building this business will take time, but as I've mentioned before, adverts in local papers or shops is a great way to get started, and also word of mouth. Get the first job and hopefully more will come. 83. In-home childcare. If you love children, this is a great opportunity to work from home. However, it's not just a case of opening your doors and letting children stay with you. You'll need to set up your business legally, maintain compliance and regulatory agencies and guidelines. Make sure you have the procedures and processes in place in case of any problems. I know of people that have a small childcare set up in their own home, but they still follow all of the above. In today's busy world, with both parents working full-time, knowing that their child is being not only professionally looked after, but also lovingly, is a great sense of relief to them. Start with people you know, and then build up with word of mouth again. 85. Photography. If you're a keen photographer and love taking pictures, you could look at doing photography as a business, as it is a great side income that could turn into something more. Weddings can be daunting to begin with, but why not start with family portraits or pet pictures? You don't even need a studio to begin with. I have a friend that gets fantastic pictures of families by following them on walks in the country. What about local businesses needing products or portraits of staff for their website? There's a lot of possibilities. Just look anywhere where there's a photo and think, could I do better? 86. Indeed. In the course of writing this ebook and putting these videos together, I kept being referred to Indeed.com, so I thought I'd include it in its own section. If you're serious about quitting the 9 to 5 routine, but not sure about starting up a business on your own, or doing jobs where you might not get paid on a regular basis, then it's worth taking a look at Indeed. There are thousands of remote working jobs on this site, and there's a lot from very well-known companies. Don't take my word for it though. Find the Indeed site for the country that you're in and take the next step towards working from home. 87. Become a life model. This one might not be for everybody, but working as a life model and performing different life modelling poses is a creative way to make money. In the UK, the Register of Artists Model, or RAM, suggests a rate of £15 per hour for doing this work. Now, if you're not keen on taking your clothes off, then you might not get much work, so you'll need to decide if this is something you really want to do. In a nutshell, the job involves strangers staring at you while you're naked. You can expect life modelling sessions to last up to 3 hours, with a couple of breaks for rest. You don't have to have a body of a supermodel. If anything, you're more likely to get more work if you have an interesting body shape. You may also be asked to create your own poses, so practice in front of a mirror and consider sitting in on some lessons to get a feel for what the artist might want you to do. You need to be comfortable with your own nudity and a certain amount of discomfort, holding a pose for quite a while and the boredom. 88. Stay at school. Have you ever wondered what happens at schools and universities when they break up for the summer and all the students go home? Universities are still working and need staff for events and conferences and general admin. If you live near a university, you could work for them during the summer. In the UK, Unitemps is a specialist career site for jobs based at universities, as well as temporary posts and student-friendly jobs throughout the academic year. You might also look at jobs as a tour guide based at universities. The rooms are often hired out to visitors during the summer, and if you have a font of knowledge for the local area, you could consider showing people around. 89. Get paid to watch films. Now, if you really want to make money with your mobile phone and fancy spending a few hours a day just catching up on the latest online videos, this is the app for you. Vigi gives you points every time you switch on the TV. You can also get stuck into red button activities and answer questions. Vigi even gives you an extra point for binge watching a series. Points can be redeemed for vouchers and gift cards from over 800 places such as Starbucks, Foot Locker, Groupon and Best Buy. It takes 600 points, however, to make just 1 cent, so it will take perseverance to make a profit. It's probably only worth doing if you spend every day in front of the telly. 90. Put adverts on your car. Companies will pay you to put ads on your car, and you'll get paid because you've turned your car into a portable billboard. It's called vehicle wrapping, and you could make up to £100 per month doing it. All you'll need to have is a clean driving licence, a legal roadworthy car, valid insurance, and no convictions for drink driving or dangerous driving. Ads on your car can be added and taken off without spoiling your paintwork, and there's usually full insurance should something go wrong. Each company works differently. Some ask you to drive a certain number of miles before you get paid, while others will match the advertising to your usual route you might take. Search for reviews of the companies that offer this on Google, find an email address on their site and send a message to get some information before handing over your details. And make sure the company has Facebook and Twitter page which has recent updates and also recommendations from other users. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and don't forget to look out for the next one in this series. Please remember to subscribe and click on the bell so you'll be notified when the next video comes out. Good luck with earning money, guys, and remember you can have results or excuses, but you can't have both.